Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amaka Wabuko. My channel is all about lifestyle vlogs, personal health and more. If you're new here or you've been watching my videos and you've not subscribed, please do make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share and click on the notification bell for more videos. So this video is on how I achieved a 2-strand twist using the Cuban twist hair extension on my fussy natural hair. My hair is very thick, and making this hair, it was a kind of tedious for me, but at the end of the day I achieved the 2-strand twist and it came out nice. I used like 3.5 packs of this hair extension, and I forgot to say this hairstyle is the rubber band method. So over here I have to wrap the hair so that the rubber band I used for the hair won't show before I start twisting.
Just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, I'm with you. That I get when looking down from the sky. It's me now. Can't give up this feeling. It's me. give